Okay, so I've actually decided to return the MetaQuest 3S. The MetaQuest 3 I find better, and I also got it at a discount. The MetaQuest 3, so I think the MetaQuest um, 3 was more worth it for the price as compared to the 3S in terms of. But anyway, this is a 3S, and I already got a 3S for my son. Uh, so I don't need this one, and I bought it from Costco. So I'm gonna return it to Costco. I have another one, 3S that I bought from Target, which was a better value. It was, I think it worked out to 299, and I had a 70. I got a $75 gift card from Target, so it worked out to 225 or something like that, which is absolutely worth it. So I'm gonna return this one, which I bought from Costco. This is the 256, or maybe it's a 512 gig version. I don't remember. But it also came with a, like a free storage, compact storage, box. But the storage box is only big enough for the headset, the controllers, and maybe the stock strap. It wasn't big enough to fit us. Elite strap or one of the battery straps, so it's kind of useless. So I'm going to be returning it, and in that process I have to reset. I'm going to do a factory reset, so I'm going to find out how to do that. A factory reset. Let's see. So I'm going to go to, let's see, browser. Actually, where is the browser? Yeah, there we go. And then I'm going to go to Chrome. I'm going to do a how to do a factory on Meta Quest 3S. So it says open the Meta Quest app, tap menu devices, then select the headset connected to your phone. Tap headset settings, advanced factory reset. But I wonder if there's a way to do it on except set to the state. Okay, back up any data. I think I've synced all my, oh, it's still syncing this video. So let it finish syncing. Um, this is a video that I recorded, a 25-minute video on Batman Arkham. The other two have synced already, I think. 9-minute video and a 27-minute video. Oh, no, 15, almost a 16-minute video, almost a 3-minute video, and almost about a 25-minute video. So let this finish syncing, because otherwise I'm going to lose it if I factory reset it. So it says back up your data. So back up your data. Okay, to back up to the cloud, you'll have to ensure the feature is turned on. Follow these steps. Cloud backup. Put on your headset and hover on the clock on the left side. Settings, backup. Complete the factory reset. So you can do it via the smartphone app. You can also do it via the headset. So it says if you don't have the app downloaded or like to skip having to find your phone, you can start a factory reset from the headset. Turn off your headset, press and hold the power and volume down buttons until the headset turns on. Okay. Power and volume down buttons. Okay, so basically it goes into a USB update mode menu. Sort of goes into the firmware. So turn off your headset. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons until your headset turns on. Then I have to wear the USB update menu, the volume buttons to navigate to factory reset. Okay, so basically the trick is pressing the power and volume down buttons. So instead of just the power, press the power and volume down to turn it on. Okay, that's pretty cool. Still syncing, so I'm not gonna. Looks like it's only synced for about a quarter. It's probably gonna take another 3/4 of time to sync. So I'm not gonna do a factory reset right about now. I'll do it when it finishes syncing. From the app, I can do menu devices tab. So let's see how it can be done from the app. I'm not going to do it, but let's just take a look. So, okay, menu devices, then select the headset connected to your phone, headset settings. So let's see, headset settings. I don't see a headset settings. Maybe it's this. No, not really. Oh, there we go, headset settings. And then maybe do headset settings. Advanced settings, factory settings. So you have advanced settings. And there we go, that's a factory reset. So I'm not going to do that now because it's still syncing my video. I'll get to it later. Factory reset. There's no factory settings, it's just a factory reset directly. So these, yeah, these probably the app looks a little different. But let it finish syncing and then I'm gonna continue. This will create another video of how to do the syncing, and my battery is low in any case, so I'm gonna stop this video and let it finish syncing this, the previous video as well as this video, and then do a factory reset.